What's up, guys? Let's talk a little Jasmy this morning or this afternoon. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research out there, okay? All right, guys. Also, guys, check the channel sponsor LBank link down below. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading, no KYC required. So let's talk a little bit of Jasmy here, and I have an interesting parallel for you guys when it comes to Jasmy chain that I'd like to discuss near the end of the video. So stick around for that. For people who don't understand it or don't know why they would need it or whatever the case might be. Anyway, guys, Jasmy pumping nicely still today, up 6.5%, up 27.5% on the month, you guys. Put that into perspective for you, right? For people saying the price is not moving, 9.2% on the week, 27.5% on the month. Big things popping, little things stopping. Nice green day today. Look at all that green. Love to see it. You love to see it. Bitcoin 35K. All right, let's get into some opinion stuff. Jasmy chart is really crazy. Falling wedge break soon. RSI at 22. So basically, what that means, guys, if you don't know charts, with the RSI being at a 22, that means that it is starting to enter the oversold area, which means that it is due for a breakout to the upside from the falling wedge. So we could see a nice, juicy run upwards. Once the lockup begins, the Jasmy wallet launched, we reach just half of the KPIs for 2024-2025. Bull run, boom, big things popping, little things stopping. Jasmy, in my opinion, a rare investment opportunity to make life-changing wealth, research, and learn. Exactly what I tell you guys. If you are able to pick up your Jasmy at these current prices, guys, I mean, you know, you can't really go wrong. I don't know what to tell you. I'm talking about another project that I started buying over on the member side, guys. That's roughly the same price as Jasmy is right now, and I'm super excited about it, about where it can go and stuff like that. And I'm just as excited about Jasmy. So, if you want to know what project I'm talking about, guys, click the join button to join the member side because you get exclusive content over there. You get updates on my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I am selling. And you also get one-on-one video calls with me. We go over your portfolio. We help you devise a exit strategy in the next bull run, taking your profits, things like that. But the point is that at this price, guys, even if Jasmy only ever went to like 10, 11 cents, you'd still, if you're DCing at this price, make a absolute killing. A few $100s would get you somewhere between $10, $20, $30,000. The risk to reward is just too good to be passed up on, in my personal opinion. And this is what it's like to be buying Jasmy in this last 2.5 years. Bear market, FUD, all beat up, destroyed. Look at his feet. He makes it to the top. He's just lucky. These are the people who are saying right now, we're spreading this FUD and stuff. These people are going to be saying to you, oh, he just got lucky, right? No, you held strong through all this and you DCA'd and you held true to your convictions. You're not lucky. You are smart money. Okay, Jasmy coin, a little look, guys. So listen, if we can close the week, which is at the end of today, if we can close the week at 2044, if we can close it above there, right? We're definitely looking at more bullish momentum to the upside next week. We're not far, 4.236. So can we get to 2044 and close above by the end of today? That is what you guys want to be watching for on the charts today. The reason of our success, former auditor KPMG LLC, Hara, former COO and president of Sony Corp, former CEO of Sony Corp. That is exactly correct. Ex-Sony executive believes that Jasmy coin will increase 5,000x to $17 by the deep. So, I mean, long-term projection, guys, obviously he's not talking about 2025. It would be interesting to see what happens long-term for Jasmy. If that is what the team has in sight and they keep talking about it, it would be extremely interesting just to pay attention to. I would not hold my Jasmy expecting it to go to $17. I would make sure that I'm taking my profits because that is what I'll be doing in the bull run, taking my profits. Jasmy long-term risk to reward ratio makes it simple. Jasmy is in the undervalue area based on the 4-year cycle. Respect to all traders, but more respect to hodlers. Find value areas and stack your bags and keep it pushing. Bull time is near and Jasmy will make millionaires. We are certainly running out of time, you guys, for accumulation. The Bitcoin halving is coming very quickly. We are already into November, right? We're the 5th, guys. We're like 2 days away from being a week into November already. That is bananas, right? It's coming fast. That's what she said. Jasmy, we did it. We did get the 3-day bullish EMA cross, very clear in the charts. Now zoom in, zoom out. Here was the golden cross, you guys. So we are looking at the charts on the 3-day, on the weekly, on the daily. Everything is looking on the macro very, very bullish for continuation. And finally, guys, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was the Jasmy chain. Again, back to the FUD about how, well, they didn't need to create Jasmy chain. They don't need a layer 2, all that kind of stuff, right, guys? And it was being compared to the Gala V2 migration, if you recall. So what I wanted to kind of draw a closer parallel to, guys, was actually Shibarium, right? Sheeb did a V2, right? That's what Shibarium is. It's their L2. I mean, not V2. Sorry, it's their L2, right? Their layer 2. Same thing as Jasmy chain, right? It's their layer 2. Shiba Inu didn't do a token swap. They didn't make a V2 or anything like that, right? Neither is Jasmy. Same thing. So when you're wondering about that stuff, like I said before, guys, there's an influencer who made up a story about how they're going to do a V2 and stuff like that, and it never happened, right? He hasn't come on and apologized for his accusations. He hasn't corrected his mistakes, that he was wrong. There is no V2. He swore that there was, and there's not. And I don't see any videos coming out from him stating that he was incorrect. This is closer to Shibarium than it is to the Gala V2 migration. Again, nothing bad happened with Shibarium, with Shiba Inu. They launched Shibarium, their layer 2, so that they could have more functionality, so that they could operate things over on their layer 2 and on their own chain. And it's the same thing that Jasmy's doing, guys. Pretty soon, we're going to have, once it launches, then we're going to have the Jasmy wallet. And then you're going to be able to monetize your data. You're going to be able to utilize it and get paid in Jasmy coin, right? So I just wanted to kind of draw that parallel for you guys. If you're wondering about this whole layer 2 Jasmy chain thing, just look back at what happened with Shibarium. There was no negative rug pull. There was no negative V2 that was forced on you or anything like that, right? Nothing like that happened. It's exactly parallel to what's happening with Jasmy chain, the layer 2. There is no V2 swap. There is no, negative rug pull that came or anything like that, right? They're not minting new coins out of thin air. None of that stuff's happening. So, yeah, if you're going to draw parallels, again, draw it to what happened with Shibarium, not with what happened with Gala, because Gala and Jasmy's situations are apples and oranges. And the Shibarium, Jasmy situations are more like apples and apples. So, just wanted to put that out there, guys. Just a little bit of helpful understanding to see how things played out with Shibarium. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Smash the like, smash the subscribe button, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.